What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Nezuko basically becoming undemonified. So I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil and an eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. We're going to start with our eyes. So big Demon Slayer eyelid lines. Center point about here. Eyes are higher than my halfway sort of line. So we're going to go up over to the right. And we're going to just curve a line. So we're going to go real arched line like that, right? You have to thicken it up and add eyelashes and make the ends look sort of spiky, right? So we gotta go spike this way, spike that way, and then we will curve it over. Color in there black. Right, and then in Demon Slayer, of course, they add like some extra eyelash lines coming down from the corners, and another one just here. Like so. Nezuko's bottom eyelid line just here, like that, and you will add like 4. Yeah, we'll go for 4. 2, 3, 4 eyelash lines just there. Right, her iris, real big, and in Demon Slayer, it's kind of like, you know, angled, so it's not like a perfect circle or anything. They do these sort of changes in direction, kind of like this sort of thing, kind of like a stop sign or something, you know, just with like more turns to the line. And then her demon eye, just like a line going down here, and we'll thicken it up kind of in the middle of it a little bit. We just make it a little bit thicker in there. And then she has the veins coming out, like so. And then we've got an eyelid line on top, like that. And then she's like surprised, right? So her eyebrows are real high up, so, and they arch downwards, like this. Right, so different to Nezuko's eyebrows normally, because they're normally like real, they're kind of like Tanjiro's, kind of spiky. But in this one, they're arched, like that. Then we go over and do the other eye. So you're pretty close, right? You're not like eye width. You're kind of maybe like the width of her sort of iris goes across, right? That you could like fit her iris in between both the eyes. That's the sort of proportion we're dealing with, because in Demon Slayer the eyes are like bigger than normal eyes. And then you curve your line over. We'll add 2 spikes on the ends. Curve over again and color black. Add eyelashes coming off each end, and then one just like sticking up on its own here. Her bottom eyelid line, like so, and then 4 sort of eyelashes here. Her iris, goes up like so, and then a slit sort of in the eye here. And then the veins coming out of the eye on either side. I made this one a bit thicker, so I'll have to thicken this one up a bit more as well. Okay, and then eyelid line. Like that. And then her eyebrow. Surprised curving down. Like so. Her nose is pretty, it's like in between, right? So in between her, let's say like bottom eyelid line, or maybe a little bit below, you have these hatching lines that just sit on the bridge of her nose, and then nostrils just underneath, like so. And she's real surprised, right? So her mouth is like open, but it's real small. So we've got like a curved line on top. So it's like it's closed, but then to make it look like it's open, you just do a line across the bottom, right? So she looks kind of shocked. And then we have that little shadow underneath the chin, or underneath the bottom lip, like that. Her chin then, relatively pointy, just there. And she has this sort of wine glass shaped face, right, that curves around this way. Right, so we'll start with the jaw. Just there. And like in general, across from the mouth, see here, so the mouth level, and then like the edge of her eye kind of here is where the jaw starts to turn up the side of the face. So across from the mouth and then underneath here, it'll go like up the side of the face. Like that. And on this side we meet like long hair and then a sideburn over this side. Right, so that's the sideburn, but there's long hair here. So say we have this kind of V for a part in our hair, just here. And then we have a spike and a spike. And then this long piece of hair kind of comes down this way. And then we got more zigzags that just come across like so, and join the sort of sideburn here. And then she has some long hair blowing in the wind, sort of this direction. So in under here we can see her ears. So, and across from this one as well. Sort of same level. And then ear lines inside. Like that. So she has a bow just up here. Just started with this sort of little box with a line in it. And then the pink parts that are tied. Just here. Like that. So then, so the hair that's tied, so it goes into this and then goes around the top of her head to the part in her hair here. And then we have another piece of long hair that goes down this way. And you can go any way you want really, but we'll just go, say, this way. Across her body. And then we have another piece that goes like here. And another one. Going that way. We go behind her body there somewhere. Maybe another bump. Just up around here. Down this way now. some more long hair here. So lots of different ways to do her hair now, but we're just going to add some of these. Sort of go down her body here. And texture lines and stuff like that. So this one goes behind her shoulder here. So we'll just draw her shoulder there. And then there's like some more hair just here. So then the rest of her hair goes behind her shoulder on the other side and her back. So we can see her neck just here, quite thin, delicate. And then we have that piece of bamboo that she bites. So it's like wrapped around her head still a little bit, right? So it comes down this way. And then it sort of curves around here. So it's got these bumps on the end and in the middle, right? So you go down and then you have another bumping segment. And then down. Another bump. Down like that, right? And these are got all these lines on them. And then another piece of pink ribbon coming out from here. Right. Okay, so her other shoulder. So we got like these collars, right? So a collar going that way of her kimono, right? So they kind of overlap there. And there's another one. It's that way. And then another overlapping section there. And then this seems to go down this way. And then her shoulder goes that way. And then we've got like some faux lines there and some like faux lines here. And then some texture lines for her hair going that way. And a kimono line there. And then she has those patterns, right? So kind of triangles. So we got like a triangle here. And then this line goes down all the way down to there. And we meet like another belt or something. Like that, right? And then there's all these lines then. So that's hair, and then her shoulder. So then her shoulder, we should see a little bit of it like here, and hair texture lines all down here. Yep, shoulder goes behind that piece of hair then, and that's it. I think is that everything? Yeah, Nezuko, half demon, kind of human. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.